Hello and welcome to this video on achieving financial independence. In this video, we will be discussing a step-by-step guide to eliminating debt and achieving financial freedom. Debt can be a major source of stress and can prevent you from reaching your financial goals. However, by following a few key tips, you can take control of your debt and start working towards financial independence. In this video, we will be covering 4 main tips. First, we will discuss the importance of assessing your debt and understanding your financial situation. Second, we will talk about creating a debt elimination plan that works for you. Third, we will explore ways to increase your income and accelerate your debt repayment. Finally, we will discuss the importance of cutting your expenses and finding ways to live below your means. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to eliminate your debt and start working towards financial independence. So let's get started. In this section, we will discuss the first step in eliminating your debt, assessing your debt. Before you can create a plan to get rid of your debt, you need to know exactly how much you owe and to whom. Start by gathering all of your bills, credit card statements, and loan documents. Then, make a list of each debt, including the creditor's name, the balance owed, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. Next, categorize your debt into 2 groups, secured and unsecured. Secured debts are those that are backed by collateral, such as a mortgage or car loan, while unsecured debts are those that are not backed by collateral, such as credit card debt or medical bills. Once you have a clear understanding of your debt and its categories, you can begin to prioritize which debts to pay off first. In general, it is recommended to prioritize high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt, as it can quickly accumulate and become unmanageable. By assessing your debt and creating a plan to pay it off, you are taking the first step towards achieving financial freedom. To eliminate debt, the first step is to create a plan. Start by listing all of your debts, including the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then, prioritize your debts by either paying off the highest interest rate debts first or paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum. Next, set a goal for paying off your debts. You can choose a specific date or a dollar amount to aim for each month. Be realistic with your goals and adjust them as needed. Once you have a plan, stick to it. Make sure to pay at least the minimum payments on all debts and put extra money towards your priority debt. Consider using tools like a debt payoff calculator to help you stay on track and monitor your progress. Remember, creating a debt elimination plan takes time and effort, but it is a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. Stay committed and disciplined, and you'll soon be on your way to a debt-free life. One effective way to pay off your debts is to increase your income. This can help you pay off your debts faster and reduce the amount of interest you need to pay over time. Here are some tips to help you increase your income. First, consider asking for a raise at work. If you have been with your employer for a while and have a good track record, it may be worth asking for a higher salary. Be prepared to make a strong case for why you deserve a raise and what value you bring to the company. Another option is to take on additional work or side hustles. You can consider freelance work or taking on part-time jobs to supplement your income. There are many opportunities out there, from online tutoring to pet sitting to delivery driving. Look for options that fit your skills and schedule. You may also want to explore opportunities to earn passive income. This can include things like renting out a spare room in your home, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating and selling digital products. While passive income may not be a quick fix, it can be a great way to build long-term wealth and pay off your debts over time. Remember, increasing your income requires effort and determination. It may take time to see results, but every bit counts when it comes to paying off debt. By exploring different options and being creative, you can find ways to increase your income and achieve financial freedom. Cutting your expenses is a critical part of eliminating debt and achieving financial independence. When you reduce your expenses, you free up more money to put toward paying off your debts and building wealth. There are many ways to cut your expenses, but the key is to identify areas where you can reduce your spending without sacrificing your quality of life. One effective strategy for cutting expenses is to create a budget and track your spending. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make cuts. Look for expenses that you can eliminate or reduce, such as subscription services, dining out, or entertainment expenses. Another way to cut your expenses is to negotiate bills and expenses. This includes negotiating with service providers like cable companies, internet providers, and insurance companies to get lower rates. You can also negotiate with your landlord to get a lower rent or your employer to increase your salary or benefits. Finally, consider downsizing your home or vehicle. This can significantly reduce your monthly expenses, giving you more money to put toward your debt elimination plan. Cutting your expenses requires discipline and sacrifice, but the rewards are well worth it. Remember, the key to successfully cutting expenses is to identify areas where you can make cuts without sacrificing your quality of life. Start by creating a budget and tracking your spending. Then look for ways to negotiate bills and expenses and downsize your home or vehicle. With these strategies, you can significantly reduce your expenses and accelerate your journey to financial independence. We have discussed the 4 tips for eliminating debt and achieving financial independence. First, we talked about assessing your debt, including identifying the types of debt you have and determining your debt-to-income ratio. Second, we discussed creating a debt elimination plan, which involves setting realistic goals and prioritizing your debts. Third, we covered increasing your income through various means, such as taking on a side job or negotiating a raise. And fourth, we explored cutting your expenses by creating a budget and finding ways to reduce your monthly bills. Remember, eliminating debt takes time and effort, but it's worth it for the long-term benefits of financial independence. So, start taking action today by assessing your debt, creating a plan, increasing your income, and cutting your expenses. And don't forget to regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.